Back to the computer. Oh my gosh, I'm such a nerd. Let's see if I got any new comments. Aw, man.
Hi guys, welcome to Life Unpacked, and I'm not sure if this is the start of the video or the end of the video because I did try to start it, but boy, it was so messy. No, I shouldn't have said that. So today I am unpacked laptop that I just bought today. Ano?
Na-upload before.
I-book mo na ako. Uwi na kami ng city. Yes. Bibili kami ng ano? Bibili na ako ng laptop. Agad na ako, puto. Lagot ako sa araw ko ng linggo.
Tamang
one day vacation. Nakahabol kami. Kasi dapat pala 30 minutes before i-book. Kaya akala ko hindi ako makakapunta sa city. Kasi ang daming pinapagawang work nung RE ko. Pero iniwan ko kasi matigas ulo ko.
Don't you think any job interview...
Papagalitan ako lang sa linggo. So ngayon hindi kami nakapag-book, nag-walk-in kami, nakiusap pa kami dun sa... Buti na lang mabait yung nasa counter, pero sabi niya next time down, din niya na kami pagbibigyan. Kasi madami daw trabaho yun, matabaho daw yun sa kanya. Pero yun, nakahabol naman ako. Actually ako lang yung muntikan maiwan. So ayan. Akat na tayo.
ML na lang kaya tayong tatlo.
Ata. Ano?
Doon lang tayo, mag-ML lang.
Kahilo dito.
Dito sa mga.
Uugong, malakas ang hangin. Punta sa taas? Pwede naman mag-ML dyan sa taas eh. Gatot na talon sa base, ladies only. Panis. So dito kami sa second floor. How are you? Sa taas. I'll show you guys kung anong itsura nito. Ganda, panis. So yun, finally makakabili na din ako ng laptop. Ito kami ngayon sa nakadaong pa kami, mamaya pang mga kami aalis. So wala pang tao. So yun, parang first na balik ko sa city after 1 month. Or hindi 1 month kasi unang baba ko is February 14. Ngayon ay March 7. So, ewan kung ano to. Parang lagayan nila ng sigarilyo or something. Sigarilyo nga. And then, yun lang. Hindi ko talaga alam kung sasabihin. Hindi ko alam kung na makikita dito. Yun sa baba yung mga sasakyan. Tapos nakikita nyo yun, itataas nila yun. Aangat yan. Tapos aandar na yung aandar na yung ferry. So ayun na. Umalis na kami sa port. Alis lang namin. Tada! Actually, ba't di nila tinaas yun? Alam ko tinataas nila yun eh. I don't know. Alam ko tinataas nila yan eh. Baka mamaya pa nila itataas. Or baka hindi na daw itataas. No need, sabi nila. Diba? Actually, nito lang ba nakakahilo kasi lalo na mahangin. Mamaya pa nang inuugay ng ano dito. Inuugay ng maigi. Paikot kami. Bayan yung mukha ko, haggard na haggard. Punta kami ng city, tas uwi lang din kami agad dito sa isla tomorrow. Kasi ang dami talagang work. Pero at least if may laptop na ako, matatake ko na yung work ko at home. So hopefully hindi na ako ganun ka busy sa work. Pwede na ako pumunta ng city or kasi ang main purpose ko lang, kunwari pupunta ako sa barko, syempre hindi naman 1 hour lang yung biyahe, so at least pwede akong umalis ng office hours, and then dito na lang ako mag-work sa barko, di ba? Like kung may pasok ngayon, pwede na akong mag-work from home, and then habang nasa barko ako, doon ako mag-work para makauwi ako ng city. Pasensya ako ng nguya, yung ano kasi, yung meds ko, grabe yung dry ng bibig ko, parang kailangan ko talaga ng bubble gum. Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung pwedeng umuya kasi ano, Ramadan ngayon. Di bali, wala naman tao dito, ako lang naman mag-isa. Actually, kakadating pa lang naga. Hindi nakikita yung uga, pero malakas yung uga. Ewan ko ba't di nasasabi, pero ang lakas ng uga niya. Mayroon bang isang object na pwede kong tutukan para malaman? Ay, narinig naman siguro yung ano. Tignan mo. Hindi eh. Ang lakas ng minamata ko na yung mga safety vest. Nakakatakot. Baka may dinuduyan. Hindi siya kita. Maglagay ako ng bote dito. Wala din akong bote. Pag ganun kami. Ay, yung shadow. Tignan mo yung shadow. Yung shadow ang ano, gumagalaw. Malakas yung uga, nakakahilo. Nahilo na ako, so yun. Ewan ko kung may gana pa ako vlog ko na lang pagpababa na kami kasi matutulog ako. So ayun, matagal-tagal pa kami dito. Dito tayo. Tayo sa baba. Galing ako ng ano, man's toilet. Ito yung toilet nila dito sa banyo. Diba? Panis. Nakauga. Ay, mahirap maglakad. Bakit? Mata ulit tayo. Akit dun sa pinakataas kasi hindi ramdam yung ano, alon. Nauga pa rin siya pero hindi ganun kalakas. So dun tayo sa rooftop. Rescue boat pala. Rescue boat. Oo nga, camping. Akala ko water tank eh. Nagtataka ko ba't may water tank sa ano eh. May laman na ano, camping.
Babasok ko sa loob. Pagbilang.
Uy. We landed safely.
Okay ba yung kulay ng tubig?
Oh, nag-green na siya. Blue tas green. City na.
Slingshot.
Ay. Uy!
There's a neon. Okay.
So, andito na kami sa Ferry Terminal, Jebel Aldana. City na. So yun, nag-stop kami dito sa Adnoc. Parang ito yung ganda, parang may 7-Eleven sa loob. Kasi ako'y gutom na. At akala ko nga hindi ako makaka-uwi. So yun, biglaan. Gusto ko ng chicken. Naghanap ng chicken dito. Gusto ko ng mangangat-ngat. Wala bang mangangat-ngat? Wala. What if mag-ice cream ako? So yun, wala akong napusuan. Ito lang, ice cream lang. Parang gusto ko na lang mag-chicken pagdating sa city.
Ano, dinig na? Dinig na? Hello! Mabiling yelo! Dinig na ba? Bibili akong yelo. Birthday mo nga yung ano?
Yung, kamo na ilagay. Wait lang. Na kami sa city. Pa-parking na kasi mag-aano na lang kami. Ta-taxi. Mahal kasi ang fine dito. So baka ma-finean pa kami. Mahigpit kasi dito. Parang konting mali mo lang, laki mo na agad ng fine mo. So yun, magka-taxi na lang kami. Eto, Jumbo.
Custom game.
Lupit naman ng ano nila. You know?
Pwede ba makipag-custom game?
Yun. Saan dito? Dito.
4,000. i5. Patingin. i7 o i9?
Ito i9.
Yan.
i7.
Asus ba yan? Ayan, dahil.
Naka-GeForce ba to?
SS.
Hanap tayo mga
Ito RTX din to.
Ito RTX.
Ryzen na
7000 series.
4.8 lang. Ito wag, Ryzen 7.
Magkano to?
4.8 lang oh.
4.8?
Grabe, 4.8 na yan ah.
Nakaano siya, naka-sale.
Uy.
Maganda to.
Ito ba maganda? Sabihan mo ako.
Oo, yan na nga.
So ayun, ngayon sa Alwada Mall. At maghahanap tayo dito ng laptop kasi yung first na tinignan namin, hindi siya na-accept ng Tabi. Which is parang credit card yon na hindi naman credit card. Para siyang app na loaning, maglo-loan ka. Kasi hindi ko kayang biglain. Wala pa nga akong budget, pero need ko na kasi sa work. So, kailangan ko nang kunin yun kasi, dito na ako sa city. And then, nahihirapan na din talaga ako na walang laptop sa work. So, pinupush ko siya. Sana may Tabi dito. Kasi hindi ko siya kayang biglain ng bayad. Gusto ko hati-hati. Ewan ko lang kung may interest yung Tabi. Pero okay na kasi at least magagamit ko na yung laptop as soon as possible. So ayun. Nawawalan na ako ng pag-asa. Dahil wala na akong makitang like shop na may Tabi. So mukhang uuwi ako ng Isla na 0.
Later.
Oh, ang gastadeo. Hi guys, I'm so excited. I bought this one. I'm going to my aunt and we're gonna unbox this. This is my first laptop and it's a gaming laptop. I'm so excited to open this.
Alarm 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On a pussy hole.
It is a semi-gaming laptop. For work, but I was like, you know, this is my cousin.
Hello.
Hi. So I was like, you know, why not buy something for light gaming, light to medium gaming, because I also like gaming, but the main purpose is for work. So yeah. And they have this like freebie laptop bag. I don't know how to do that thing. And finally we have
The main course.
wait, can you hold this?
Okay.
We have the main course. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
It's
Look
tough.
at that.
Gaming laptop A15.
Yeah.
Yes, sponsored by Tabby because I'm poor.
Oh, ganay.
So this is my very first laptop and we're gonna unbox it.
Let's
Can
go.
you like do it like
Okay, let's open it.
open it. It's kind of hard to open. I'm weakened.
It has a tattoo in it. Whoa.
Yo, look at that.
Look at that.
Tough gaming. Has these. I don't even know what these are for. Oh, this is warranty. It says Asus warranty form. And this is the laptop itself. Aywa.
Ooh, that's big.
I love the design. Look at this.
Yes. Look at
It
the
has
back.
like
It's like a comb.
honeycomb. Yes.
Yeah.
Look, it's tough gaming. I hope it's charged because we're gonna power it up now. It has this. I wonder if it has any other freebies. No, literally, there's no freebies. Oh wait, I thought it was a freebie, but no, it is just the charger.
It's just charger.
It came with a charger. It
Of
came
course,
with a
malamang hindi.
charger and no, because sometimes they don't include the charger. It is another charger.
So power bank looking thingy.
Yeah, no, it is a charger, like second charger, almost. Gosh! I'm a big Chaperone fan. Okay. So, forgive the Chaperone reference. Now we're gonna open it.
Ooh, let's see the inside.
Yo!
Congrats, bruh.
Bro!
Look at those
Look at those
keyboards.
keys. Look at the
The screen.
screen. Dang, can you shine this up? It's Ryzen 7. Yo. It's probably an old model, but you know, I'm kind of not rich, so I just bought this one. It's turned off. I want to see it turned on. No, we need to charge it. Hold up, we're gonna charge it. Guys, come with me and we're gonna charge the laptop. Because what if it's not working? What if... Hopefully it is working because I just owed a lot of money to Tabby buying this. So I can actually work. Because, no, I can work, but it's just like, I have so much work and I'm learning because I'm new. So I kind of want to, you know, work at home. Like, not work at home, maybe study my work at home. So I would be more efficient when it comes to working because I really love my job. The company that I am in, it is very healthy. I love the environment and I love the work. And hopefully I get assigned to more projects. What? I do not know what you're saying. How do you...
Oh, crunchy.
Crunchy. Please work. Now I'm kind of... Is there any... Wait. Let's put it here.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's see if it's charging. Or if I'm gonna have to return this on the big Eid because I'm going back to the island because... Cut that out. Because my auntie might be watching and I was like, you escaped work, huh? Cut that out, please.
Yes, I did that. And you would do it too for a check. I was an employee. And I was going to get employee of the month. And that's on period.
Okay, so, moment of truth. Let's go.
Is it charging?
Is it
Yo, let's go. You got that
charging.
light.
Got a light and now we're going to open. Yo!
Whoa,
Sick!
look. That's sick, bruh.
That's sick.
Look.
Yo!
It's legit fire.
It is legit, bro.
So legit, guys.
Is the screen gonna open though? I'm kind of
Just like-
scared. Wait. What happened? Do you need to click anything else for this one?
Oh, it turned off, I think. Oh, okay.
How do you do this? How? Do you click escape? Do you click home?
I don't know.
What do you click? What is this? What is
Probably
this
this one.
Can you click it again?
No. Hold on. Oh, you need to wait for it to charge.
Do we?
Yeah.
Okay, give it a charge. Okay, we're gonna come back. We're gonna let it
For
charge.
an hour?
We're gonna let it charge,
Yeah.
and we'll come back and we'll see if it's broken. Hopefully not. Okay,
Okay.
come back. No, just as I said that, this actually happened. Like, it actually opened. I am so impatient. It's like, chill, bruh. This is my first time being opened. So just like, chill. Give me some time to, boot.
Look at that.
Yo, just a moment. Okay, take your moment. Let's go. Take your moment. You know what? Take one more moment. Take 2 moments.
Bro.
Okay, take 3 moments.
Yeah. You know what? Hell yeah. Yeah.
Make it 1 hour.
Take it 4 moments.
30 hours, guys. We're gonna wait.
Guys, we're gonna wait.
Look at those keyboards. It's legit fire.
Yo, and it's changing colors too. It's crazy.
And the texture is really soft.
Crazy.
Like, whoa.
Whoa!
Nah, that's like crazy.
Yo! English, of course, English.
Yeah.
We're
So
gonna-
you will put probably your info about that.
Yeah, wait.
Okay.
United States? I am not even in United States right now. We are in UAE. Where's you?
Bro, tell your editor to cut that poop out.
What poop?
That poop!
Jeez! You know what? Here you go. Focus on my face. If you can edit that, please. I don't even know if they're gonna... Because we have like birds. What do you mean chickens? Not me. Riri has birds, so...
Which is, I'm his cousin that
Yeah.
I have birds and they lay the eggs, so...
US.
There's
Okay, we're gonna
like-
have US.
Yeah.
Add second keyboard. No, skip. I wanna get to the good part. Oh, I don't know the password. Shoot.
Okay, shoot. Okay, we'll put the password on.
So we're just gonna pause. Just to continue.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna do next. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. Checking for updates. Oh my god, it's gonna update. Hurry. I wanna play games. I wanna play Roblox. I will play Candy Crush.
Block Blast.
Block Blast and Candy Crush. I bought a gaming laptop just for Candy Crush.
Let's go. Ooh, just a moment. Checking for updates.
Checking for update. Okay, I love the keyboard, especially this. Like, look at that. It's very aesthetic. And if I play on low light, this would be more aesthetic. And look at this. I don't know, the design is very sleek. It's very gamer. It's very gay.